Whew, this is so good. I've got something soothing for the soul this time. Creamy Cajun shrimp scampi, a Caribbean steak ribeye, coconut curry shrimp, Virgin Islands beef pate, shrimp creole. I've got something special for you. Let's get to cooking. This here is a winner. Are we just getting started? Look at that! Yo, this is what we're working with. Nice! As they were saying when they're excited, ooh-wee! We're gonna make it right! This here is a winner! Are we just getting started? Thank you for being part of my journey this year. Here's to more delicious moments in 2025. Happy New Year! Cuisine with Chef Winston? Cheers!